A very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dhabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 67 that will be especially dedicated to the COVID-19 and the Corona healing series. Basically, we have made one complete series on the Corona or the COVID-19, but as a supplementary episodes, certainly we have to deal with this particular problem of the Corona. That's why we will make one or two episodes for it. Dear friends, this is coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. This is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series. Dear friends, I also believe that you are working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the holistic body healing series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the health concept. Kindly revise it once so that you can understand this particular episode. You can pause it. Episode number 46. Episode number 58. Some of the concept in the episode number 59. Some of the concept in the episode number 60. And my dear friends, it is my clear vision that if the concepts are very clear, then certainly we are able to deal with many of the applications. That's why these fundamental concepts for the health are very necessary so that we can deal with many of the different problems. The basic fundamental will be very same, but almost all kind of the problems related with the mind and the related with our human body will be dealt by these principles. Episode number 62. These are the golden concept. Episode number 64. We have already discussed how to deal with the complete body healing, how to deal with it, how to make it. We have already discussed in the episode number 65 and 66. And dear friends, we especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the result of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Let's start the journey towards healthy body through this particular episode. Dear friends, basically we are dealing with the spiritual science concept. That's why one very beautiful technique is there, energy healing method. By this we will deal almost all kind of the human problems related with the human body and related with the human mind. What is the main requirement? Clean energy, high energy and the balance energy. What is the energy? Energy by which I am talking to you, energy by which I am seeing, energy by which I am able to think. Dear friends, all the energies are very same and very same. Just like the electricity. By many of the methods you can generate the electricity. It is always same like everything. And after that you can use it in the many of the aspect. In many of the application. You can do the heating, colding, you can do the any kind of the effect with the electricity. You can use it. Similarly, the body electricity, there are many of the methods by which the body electricity can be generated. And what is our requirement? Clean energy, high energy and the balance level of the energy. We have already discussed how to generate the energy. We have already discussed how to deal with, balance the energy, and how to give the direction to the energy. If we have understood it very clearly, then what we have to do now? Focus and concentrate, deep feeling, and the do and die practice on these concepts which we are talking about in our health series. If we are able to do it, then certainly the healthy body will be our birthright, healthy body will be our dream which will be easily fulfilled. But whether we want to do it or not, it is completely an individual choice. Dear friends, now in this particular episode and the next episode we will deal the COVID-19 problem. This is the problem which have destroyed our humanity, we can say, destroyed the economy, unstable the governments. That's why it is a very peculiar problem. After near about 1 century, in the 1920, Spanish flu was there. After 100 years, similar gravity problem we are approaching. That's why, dear friends, we will contribute our fullest effort for this peculiar problem, for this COVID-19 problem. COVID-19 started as a COVID-19. But what about the COVID-20? The COVID-19 has been become the COVID-20. The COVID-20 has been become the COVID-21, and it may be possible that it may be the COVID-22 if we will not be able to heal it completely, because its spreading quality is very much. By one person, thousand of the persons can be infected. In the Korea, there was a patient, I think patient 34. She was the single person by which more than 3,000 cases were discovered in the South Korea. That's why we can understand how much contagious this particular problem COVID-19 is. Dear friends, and it is our firm commitment that we will not be give the chance to the COVID-19 to become the COVID-22. That's why we will fully struggle with it. This is the current status of the COVID-19 or the corona disease. COVID-19 became the COVID-20 and it's want to be COVID-21. As per the 31st May 2021, 6 lakh new patients per day were increasing in our globe, in our planet, and more than 50,000 deaths per day nearly in our world. And these are as per the trusted government records. And how much trust we can do, you better understand. There are many of the countries, you know it very well. We will not go in the confrontation or the opposition of the government, but these are as per the trusted government records. The actual figure may or may not be similar to it. Dear friends, now it is the correct time to feel the future. In most of the countries, the second wave is breaking the records of the first wave. Yes, it is the truth that after first wave, we were slightly sluggish in our approach. We have taken as a granted, we were doing the handshake, we were socially gathering due to any of the reason. It may be of the election, it may be of due to the protest, etc. But whatever is the reason, we were doing the social distancing after the first wave. But the second wave has been approached and in the more problematic nature. And sorry to say, the countries are talking about third and the fourth wave, etc. The side effect of the puzzled system and the methodologies are almost visible. The system has been puzzled. The methodologies by which we are dealing with the corona or the COVID-19, yes, we are in the puzzled position. Sometimes we say one thing, another time we just say something different. And even the WHO is not committed to one firm concept. It is keep going, changing its stand according to the situation, and this is the correct position, dear friends. and the side effect of the puzzled system and the puzzled methodologies are almost visible. And this is the condition after the 1.5 years after the corona or the COVID-19. We are struggling, most of the nations are struggling since last 1.5 to 2 years. And dear friends, this is the very bitter truth, this is the correct truth, you know very well. In some of the nations, situation is out of control and possibility of the complete lockdown is still existing. People are protesting like hell. They do not want to be in the limit now because the economy is very much pressurized. The people are getting unemployed. The people do not want to remain in their home itself. Dear friends, that's why possibility of the law and order situations, law and order issues are there. It may be in the Africa, it may be in the Australia. The people are protesting against the government. But this is the bitter truth and we have to deal with it. Dear friends, these are some of the highlights of the leading newspapers of the world. The situation is almost same around the globe. Some of the countries are there which have surplus number of the medicines or surplus number of the vaccinations in comparison to their own population. But rest of the world, like the developing countries, the countries with the big population, countries which are underdeveloped, they have the similar situation, they have the same situation. Dear friends, this is the situation in all the continents almost. Even the economy is very much pressurized due to it. And one thing is very sure, saying is like the sugar, doing is like the poison. The person who converts his saying in the doing is a great personality. Saying is very easy. I can tell you many of the things, thousands of the things, but how much things you will able to do, that is the main thing. If you will be able to do, if you will be able to practice on the only single thing or the one thing, situation or the level of our existence will be totally different. Just like truth, there are even the 5th class person, even the 6th class student knows we should fear from the God, we should tell the correct thing only, we should tell the truth. But how many of the persons will be there who will be able to follow the truth? If you will be religiously able to follow the truth, then certainly you will be equivalent to the many great personalities of our continent, of our planet. Dear friends, election, protest, these all are the necessary. But whether we need the big rallies, this is a very big question in front of us. Everything is not just the nature made. We humans are responsible for the disease and the deaths. And it is a very bitter truth, it is the correct. We have to learn from the history so that we can use it in the present to make our future bright. Dear friends, human is suffering. It is very okay. We have to deal with it. This is our compulsion. But whatever is the reason, humanity must not to be sacrificed. The humanity is to be preserved and followed. Dear friends, now let us see what are the allopathic solution for the complete body healing. Sorry, it is a misprint. Allopathy solution for the corona-19 or the COVID-19 healing. The doctor sir, the respected doctor, has written in very beautiful language, and sorry to say, being an engineer, I am not able to read it. Then what to do? What is the way in front of the engineer. Use the mind. Mr. Computer, kindly translate the prescription of the respected doctor for our viewers, for the viewers of the channel Zero to Infinity. And dear friends, we have the supercomputer with us. It will translate the prescription of the doctor, sir, of the respected doctor. There are, and this is the mystery solved. This is the mystery solved by our supercomputers. Let us see it. Dear friends, here are the allopathic solution for the COVID-19 or the Corona healing series. There are many kind of the vaccines available in the world. There are the single shot also available. There are the multiple doses are also available. In most of the countries, people are taking the first dose. After that, he or she is waiting for the 6 week. Then it is taking the second dose. And after the 14 days from the second dose, probably the vaccination is getting successful. This means it is a completely 60-day cycle for the vaccination process. Although single shot vaccine is also available in some of the nations. And dear friend, this is the correct situation, this is the current situation of our world. Shortage of the vaccine is also there. Many of the developing countries, many of the underdeveloped countries are not getting the proper amount of the vaccines. That's why probability of the black marketing and the fake vaccine is also possible by the medical mafia. Dear friend, medical science is a different, medical industry is a different, and the medical mafia is a different. This is the problem with our mankind. Black marketing and the fake vaccine possibility is there, which is a life-threatening process being done by the medical mafia. And there is a no sure tablet once infected by the COVID-19. If someone is getting the tablet, someone is affected by the COVID-19, and after that, if he or she wants something just in the form of the tablet, he or she is not getting the tablet at all, as per my knowledge. So dear friend, these are the challenges which we are facing with the allopathy to solve the mystery of the corona or the COVID-19. Also, there are many of the problems. COVID-19 new strain, hybrid strain, country-wise name strain, double mutant, triple mutant are appearing. Around the globe, there are many of the things are going on. The corona is not the single one or just like a machine which is doing the same behavior in the complete globe. It is not like that. If it is going to the Singapore, it is something taking a different strain. If it is going to the Delhi or India, it is taking something different. It was in the China, started from the China. There is something different strain. That's why it is finally a corona family, we can say. And we are very much struggling with these problems like double mutant, triple mutant. It is changing its symptom also. Earlier, the old strain was the symptom of fever, cough, loss of smell and the test. But the new strain has something new, symptom like ache and the pain, diarrhea, discoloration of the fingers and the toes, sore throat, conjunctivitis, headache, etc. And it is very much tough for allopathy that how to heal ever changing strain of the corona. And dear friends, side effect of the COVID-19 is also expand in the many of the dimensions like destroyed medical infrastructure, death due to medical deficiency, white fungus disease, black fungus disease, etc. are getting spread. Earlier, if the person infected with the COVID or the COVID-19, he or she isolate himself or herself in one of the room, and that's it. 14 to 15 days he or she may be getting cured. But this time the situation is not like that. The strain is much more severe than the earlier one. Oxygen deficiency is there. The medical system has been totally collapsed. It is in the puzzled condition that what to do, and it is a really a challenging situation for complete mankind. And this is a very threat for our mankind. Kids are also at the verge of the infection possibility, as per the great scientist and the medical field friends. Earlier, the COVID-19 was attacking on the persons who are at the higher age, also who have less body resistance or the body immunity. After that, the COVID-19 has affected to mostly the person in between the 35 to 50 years. This means the person who are well aware about his or her body, but still they were getting affected. But now the situation is extremely challenging. It will be very much challenging for medical science, for the allopathy, and for the humanity at a glance. Kids are also at the verge of the infection. In the India, one of the state has reported that the third wave of the COVID hits 8,000 children in one district. 8,000 children in one district. We can just think what will happen if it gets on increase to the kids also. Very much challenging, and this is the correct time. Then we have to take the appropriate actions before it's too late. Problems are getting increasing as medical system is trying to treat it. It is trying to treat it 1 of the quantum. The problem is getting increased by the 4 of the quantum. And my dear friends, in the last year, 20th June 2020, we have started our channel Zero to Infinity to deal with the problem of the corona itself. Yes, we have firstly started our corona series or the COVID-19 series, and many of you which you have already referred it, I have the personal guarantee that if the corona has infected to you, you have got quick recovery by using the methods prescribed in the corona series. And if you haven't infected and using these concept referred in the playlist, then 99% chances hai you were getting yourself prevent from the COVID-19 or the corona, because these are the ancient science, ancient civilization science, which is very useful in the today's world also. We cannot take it lightly at all. That's why, my dear friends, kindly refer the playlist for the corona or the COVID-19 of our channel Zero to Infinity. We had started the channel from this series only. It is comprising of 6 episodes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total duration is just 121 minutes, nearly 2 hours, and we can easily contribute 2 hours for our life, for the life of our family. My dear friends, these episodes like this one and the next episode will be also on the corona. Earlier I have started the corona series without any platform. Just I have started without any concept. But this time we are going very logically. First we have told you about the general principles of the healing. Then only we are dealing with the corona. That's why this episode and the next episode will also very much useful for you to treat the corona. Also, kindly refer the holistic solution for the complete human body described in the channel episode number 65 and the 66. My dear friends, if my complete body is okay, if my complete body has immunity, a good immunity, then certainly whether it is a corona or SARS or MERS or any kind of the virus, it may be of the cough or cold, that can be getting treated by our body system itself. That's why holistic solution for the complete human body are also very much important, because if the complete body will be okay, then certainly it will be a struggle with the corona or the COVID-19 virus. And in the nutshell, in the lighter way, we can say, one, this means the individual disease solution, just like a corona, only this episode and the next episode for the corona only. But the infinity is complete body healing solution. This means if you are treating the, kindly see the pointer, if you are healing the complete body, then corona is one of the part. If we are healing ourselves with the complete healing methods, if we will healing our complete body, then certainly whether it is a corona or SARS, MERS, any problem, disease, that can be taken care by itself. That's why although local solution is also very much important, and the solution for the complete body is also very much important. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, these are the holistic solution for the COVID-19 and the corona healing. My dear friends, first thing is very sure that this is the holistic solution. We do not have any kind of the negativity for the medical science of the today like allopathy at all. We are also loving the allopathy. We will get the ripened fruits of the allopathy to deal with the problems of the life. But one thing is very sure, there are stars beyond our sun. Allopathy is good, but if I use the acupressure, acupuncture, massage therapy, energy healing, Reiki healing, certainly these will help to the healing the body. We cannot just get rid from these techniques, because these are also very very important. And if as per our technique, if I am using these techniques like acupressure, acupuncture with energy, this means these will work in the miraculous manner, in the astonishing manner. That's why holistic healing, we will use all the techniques which are available with us, because allopathy is given by the humans, acupressure is given by the humans, acupuncture is given by the humans, Reiki is invented by the humans. That's why we cannot go opposed to any of the this knowledge. The first one is, kindly take the vaccination as prescribed by the medical science allopathy if available to you. Yes, this is a red line. If available to you. There are many of the nations which have the surplus vaccines as per their population. They want to treat themselves only. There are nations which do not have so much good infrastructure to develop a new vaccine in such a short time. What they will do? Till now, most of the nations has covered the front boundary level persons only, or the really sick persons only, most of the countries. But what about the persons who are normal, 18 to 45-year-old, or the kids? What they will do? Whether we have the infrastructure which can cover the 7 billion persons of this world in just 4 or 5 months? A big question, a big question, and a big question. My dear friends, that's why vaccination is good, agreed. But there are the peoples who do not have approach to the vaccination. And these free of cost techniques these logical techniques will be work for them also. There is no problem of the budget at all. If an individual want to treat himself or herself, then certainly they can heal themselves with these tricks, these episodes. Take vaccination as prescribed by the medical science allopathy if available to you. Keep the social distancing, less movement, mask, sanitization, hand wash, etc. etc. We know it very well and following since last 1+ year. That's why I will not so much go in the detail, because I have to tell the things which you do not know or which are required to know. Why to again and again you know how to wash the hand, how to keep the social distancing, etc. You have to follow it, no problem at all. Second number, this is the second holistic solution to deal with the COVID-19 or the corona healing. Get the burst of the power or energy or body electricity or chi energy or stem energy mentioned in the health concept S23 and direct the energy as mentioned in the concept S31 on the problematic affected area like the nose, throat and the lung. Something very much tough if you are very new to the channel, if you are seeing only first time this episode. My dear friends, in the nutshell, energy is same. By seeing, I am using the same energy. By thinking, I am using the energy. By body electricity, I am telling it to you by the use of this energy. This means, what is the energy? You know. I have clearly mentioned how to generate the energy, how to give the direction to the energy. Okay, that's why you have to refer earlier episodes, or you have to revise the concept in this. I have clearly mentioned in the earlier slides. Kindly get the burst of the power or the energy. Okay, kindly direct the energy on the problematic affected areas. And what are the problematic affected areas in the COVID-19? Tell me. Till now we are very fortunate. Why we are very fortunate? Because COVID-19 has started problem with the nose, problem with the throat, problem with the lung. That's it. This means my breathing circuit, my nose circuit was only getting affected. This means my major affected areas are my nose, my throat and my lungs. That's it. Till now it is not going to the hand, going to the my other system like digestion system, my brain system, etc. These are not going till now. Although in some of the nations it has been reached to the another level. That's why, my dear friends, kindly direct the energy burst, kindly direct the energy on the problematic affected areas like nose, throat and the lung. Whatever energy you are generating, whatever body electricity or the stem energy you are getting generated, kindly feel your nose, feel your throat, feel your lung. Certainly these positive vibrations will kill the problem, kill the COVID-19 in the shortest possible time. And how you will come to know whether you have generated the energy or not? A very big question. In nutshell, I can, although I will cover it in the energy series, but in one line I can say, if you are feeling the vibrations, this means you are getting some kind of the energies. Vibration means energies. Okay, because vibration will be only then when you are getting some kind of the energies. This means if I want to focus myself, feel myself to this my finger only. If I will feel my finger, then certainly it will be getting vibrate. Minor vibration will be there. I can feel it. And believe me, dear my friends, if I will tell you in the 10 minutes, 13 minutes or in the 30 years also, no use will be there, because you are just listening That's it. But if you will practice it, if you will feel it yourself, something are there which cannot be described in the words. If you will feel it, then only you will be able to understand this thing. And how this thing will be work. The black energy due to the COVID-19 or the corona will be removed by the pure energy. Hence, healing will be ensured. Whatever energy we are getting from the Brastrika Pranayam or by any of the method, energy is very pure. Stem energy or the chi energy is very pure. If I am directing myself to the problematic area, this means the blackishness of that disease, the black energy of that disease will be getting cured by the white energy which we have already acquired. That's why healing will be ensured. My dear friends, for some of the lazy persons, some of the my dear friends, these are the ready reckoner, so that you do not have to go to the earlier slides also. This is the concept number H23 by which we can generate our energy. This is the concept number H31 by which we can generate direct our energy to the affected area, to the problematic area. Another very beautiful concept by which we can deal with the corona or the COVID-19. Do the full breath retention. If you are from the India, then certainly you know it very well. If you are religiously doing the yoga, which is a very beautiful art given by the Indian civilization, ancient India, certainly you will understand what I want to say. But if you are very new, no problem. This is the time of the Google and the YouTube. You can learn it because it is worth to learn it. It's a very simple process. Kindly do the full breath retention. It is called as a Antar Kumbhak Pranayam in the energetic state. Okay. First, get the energy. In the last slide also you have seen the how to generate the energy. Get the energy and then do the full breath retention. And my dear friends, it will be better that we should learn more about it. One suggested link is, if you want to learn it by reading www.yoga.tech, you can refer anything. Just type a full breath retention in the Google. You will know many of the websites which will be tell you what it is, how to do it, etc. And my dear friends, it is my humble request that kindly refer this our video number 1. This will tell you how to do the full breath retention or the Antar Kumbhak Pranayam. Kindly see the description. In the description we have given you the link of the video, and this whole thing is to prevent the YouTube strike, because there are the people who love the monetization instead of increase the good quality of the knowledge, and we have to deal with that type of the person also who love only the monetization. My dear friends, this is my humble request to kindly wait and watch this video number 1 to learn the full breath retention or the Antar Kumbhak Pranayam. My dear friends, I believe that you have seen the video number 1 prescribed by our channel, prescribed by your friend Praful Dapi. Now you have learned how to do the full breath retention, but what we are saying, do the full breath retention or the Antar Kumbhak Pranayam in the energetic state. In the videos you have seen, in the Google or YouTube literature, you have seen how to do the Antar Kumbhak Pranayam or the full breath retention. But what we are saying, what is our value addition to the mankind? Our value addition is kindly do the full breath retention in the energetic state. First get the energy, then only do the Antar Kumbhak Pranayam or the full breath retention. The effect will be hilarious, effect will be miraculous, effect will be astonishing. Guarantee sure and 100%. and it's a very simple. Just take the breath and keep yourself. After that, some of the time, kindly inhale in the proper manner or in the slow manner. That's it. It's a very simple. You are taking the breath in or breath out. Then what is the problem in retention of that particular breath for some of the seconds, for some of the minutes, as per your own body capacity. But if the energetic state you are doing the full breath retention, certainly the effect will be miraculous and astonishing. The energy vibration will nourish both the lungs during the full breath retention. Hence the COVID-19 affected lungs will be quickly healed. My dear friends, you have acquired the energy which is pure in the nature, white in the nature. And what is the disease? If you have already referred the previous concept, the disease means something called a black energy. That's it. Black energy which is not a good for our health. That's why we are becoming disease. And whatever the energy which you have acquired, that white energy will fight with the black energy, and finally this is the eternal truth. White energy has to win. Guarantee, sure shot and 100%. So my dear friends, this is my humble request to kindly do the energy generation and feel the energy vibration in your lungs. And how you will do it? By full breath retention. If you are already affected from the COVID-19 or the corona, this technique will heal you very quickly. If you are not affected by it, it will help you to remain healthy. However, virus load in the environment is very much, hence the general principles of the social distancing, mask, holistic healing mentioned in the episode number 65 and 66 need not to be forget. My dear friends, if you haven't affected till now, it will help you to get yourself prevented. If you are already affected by it, no problem, it will help you in quick recovery, because the virus load in the environment is very much. It is just like, kindly see the pointer. In the image you can see, if the infected people are like the teeth, healthy people are just like my tongue. Tongue is 1, teeth are 32. This means the virus load is very much around us. In the metropolitan cities, there is a massive problems. People are hiding themselves, and the vaccination is still not possible to many of the persons, many of the nations. That's why virus load in the environment is very much. Hence, the general principles of the social distancing, mask, etc. are to be religiously followed. And my dear friends, kindly do not forget at all the episode number 65 and 66. These are very much important for you, because these are dealing with the complete body. And if the complete body is okay, complete body immunity is okay, certainly COVID-19 is just a peanut for us. And one thing is very sure, healing time will be depend on the energy level. If the energy level is very good, energy quantum is very good, vibration of the energy which you are feeling are very good, certainly the time to heal will be very less. It may be the healing time will be totally depend on the energy level. It may be expand from fraction of the hours to some of the days. And in one of the previous episodes, we have shown the potential of the chi energy or the potential of the body electricity. You can, for my friends only, it's just a chit chat. You can refer one playlist, mystery something, I do not know the exact name. In our channel 0 to Infinity, one playlist is there, mystery, MYSTRY, mystery or something, in which you will see one person is cutting his hand. He is getting cut from a very sharp knife, and within the fraction of the 30 second or less than 1 minute he is able to cure itself or himself. That is the power of the chi energy. That's why it may be possible you do not have the energy, that's why you may trust or you may not trust. But if you are from the energy dimension, like if you are a Reiki practitioner, if you are doing the yoga religiously, if you are doing the pranayam, if you are from the ancient civilization, if you are a star seed like the Syrian or something, if you have the keen trust on the ancient civilization, ancient knowledge which is the golden, it may be possible that certainly you will understand what is the meaning of the vibration which we are telling to you. My dear friends, this is the 100% surety and guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality, and there is a no lie at all. The things will work, but you have to earn the energy. The solution number 3rd is use of the acupressure with energy for the COVID-19 healing. The third solution is use of acupressure with energy for the COVID-19 healing. Before 2020, the acupressure was present, energy healing, some of the person were doing that thing only, but what we are saying, what is our value addition of our channel? Acupressure plus energy healing equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 11. There will be the miraculous effect, there will be the astonishing effect if I am using the energy with acupressure. Certainly the things will be very fast and very fast, I can say. Then what is the method? Kindly generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23. This is a very beautiful concept, because until and otherwise you are generating the energy, nothing you can do. Although, because day-to-day energy is just a normal energy, we cannot do very miraculous work in our life. You are sick or you are getting disease because your energy is not so much able to fight the disease. The disease is more powerful than your own body resistance. That's why you are getting the disease, or that's why you are getting sick. But if a normal man, if a common man increase its energy, increase its chi energy, increase its body electricity, increase its stem energy, certainly you will be more powerful than the disease itself. That's why our principles will work. My dear friends, generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and press the echo points related to the nose, throat and the lungs on both feet and the both hands. Second number, press echo points related to the nose, throat and lungs on the human body. My dear friends, saying is very easy, but doing is something tough. In 2 lines only, I have covered my principle in the totality. Our both the hands are complete replica of our complete body. It is proven by the acupressure. That's it. This is a fact. We will not go in the detail of it. Our both feet, I cannot show you the feet. Our both feet are also the complete replica of our complete body. Okay? If I press, kindly see the pointer. This is the echo point related with the nose. This is the echo point related with the throat. This is the echo point related with the lung. These are the echo points related with the lung and the heart. And what is the COVID-19? What are the affected areas? Just tell me. These are the lungs, nose, throat. If I will activate my echo points after getting the energy burst, the points, echo points which are related with the throat, nose and the lungs, certainly I am going to heal. Certainly I am bound to heal. Only difference is acupressure plus energy burst. That's it. The acupressure will work and it will be do the miraculous and the astonishing manner. First thing. Second number is both hand, both feet. Two methods are there. The third one is press the acupoints related to the nose, throat and the lungs on the human body. You can see some of the points are there or near the nose itself, which are related with the lungs, nose, etc. I am not a acupressure master. That's why you can take the help of the acupressure person. Only you have to learn energy burst plus acupressure. Certainly you will get the benefit of it. My dear friends, in our human body also, there are some of the points which are related with the nose, lungs and the throat. Kindly press that acupoints. These acupoints will be activated and the activation of these points will cure the problem of the COVID-19 or the corona. You can see it. I cannot go very much deep, but what is the idea I have clearly told you in single slide only. Now it is the time to work on it instead of just thinking and thinking. It will activate and nourish the nose, throat and the lung with pure white energy. My dear friends, you have acquired the white energy in the energy burst. Okay, you have directed it to the nose, throat and the lungs. Okay, you have activated the points of the acupoints related with the nose, throats and the lungs. Okay, that's why healing will be ensured. This is very logical. This is not the illogical at all. If you will refer just the last 3 slides, you can see how much logical we are. We are saying something on the basis of the acupressure, which is already very proven science. Proven science since last 200-300 years. My dear friends, that's why we have to use, we are the humans, that's why we have to use the techniques which are already available with us. If I am purchasing a car, every time whether I have to invent the wheel? No. Every time we do not have to invent the wheel to buy a car or to manufacture a car. That's why kindly refer the healing techniques which are already proven itself. Proven science are there. Acupressure, acupuncture, etc. Reiki healing, massage therapy. These are very peculiar and very beautiful techniques. Allopathy, it's okay. Okay, one of the finger. But what about the 4 of the other fingers? Humanity have complete right on all the medical sciences. They have to have claim. And my dear friends, once again, the healing time will be depend on the energy level, fraction of the hours to some of the days. If the energy quantum is very high, your healing will be miraculous fast, astonishingly fast. But if the energy level is very low, if you do not have the interest, energy level is low, if you are not doing the things, then certainly it's your life, your time, your problem, your COVID-19 and your consequences. That's it. My dear friends, 100% surety and the guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality. Technique number 4. My dear friends, this is the technique number 4, use of the acupuncture with the energy for the COVID-19 healing. Kindly generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and activate the lung meridian channel among the 12 main meridian described in the acupuncture, as the COVID-19 is related with the nose, throat and the lungs. My dear friends, before acupuncture person were there, this is a proven science. The acupuncture is available to the mankind since last hundreds of the years, thousands of the years, and there were the people who were using the energy healing also. But what is our contribution? What we are saying, kindly use the acupuncture plus energy. Certainly the effect of the acupuncture will be multifold and you will be just astonishing with the effect. My dear friends, as the COVID-19 is related with the nose, throat and the lungs, that's why if I activate the points, the acupuncture point related with the lung meridian channel, then certainly it will be very much helpful for me to treat the corona or the COVID-19. Just in a very simple manner I can say, activate the points related to the affected areas like the nose, throat and the lungs etc. in the energetic state. My dear friends, especially this acupuncture, I am clearly saying one thing, kindly refer to the specialist only who can cure you yourself with the help of the acupuncture, because you are penetrating yourself inside the body. Acupressure you can take by itself only. If you want to go, you can refer to the specialist also, but acupuncture, I have the strict guidelines for you. Kindly do not use the acupuncture by yourself if you are unaware of it. Although if a person is normally using the acupuncture, certainly it will be very much helpful for him. My dear friends, I am unaware about the role of the activation and the energization of the two central line meridians. Lot more to learn in the life. My dear friends, I am an engineer by the profession. That's why I do not have very much great knowledge of the allopathy or etc. But I am an engineer. I have the concept clear with the energies, with the electrical energies, with the bioelectricity inside us. That's why I want to use it for the other dimensions to heal the persons, because by this energy I can do each and everything, no problem at all. That's why I will just go logically and give you the solution, but you are the person who have to generate the proof, who have to think logically and feel it whether I am doing saying correct or not. And if you are feeling that these tricks are working, then only you have to refer it to other persons, otherwise not. Acupuncture, my knowledge is very limited. That's why I do not know what is the role of activation and energization of the two central line meridians. If I activate it with the help of the energy and if I activate it with the help of pressing the acupuncture points, then certainly it will heal the complete body. And if I press the acupuncture point related with the nose, throat and the lungs, then certainly these points will be activated, and that's why this thing will work. This will ensure the healthiness from the COVID-19 or the corona disease. Healing time will be depend on the energy level, 100% surety and guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality. My dear friends, this is the technique number 5 with us to deal with the corona. Use of the running with the energy for the corona-19 healing or the corona healing. The running is a complete science. Running is a very beautiful exercise by which we can our complete blood circulate will be there. It is a complete holistic exercise, I can say. It is a very beautiful exercise. Use of the running with the energy for the COVID-19 healing. What we are prescribing, kindly get the energy burst, then run. Kindly generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and run with the burst of the energy. What you are earlier doing, just running. But what we are saying, first get the energy burst, get the energy vibrations, get the stem energy vibrations, then run. And one compulsion is there. And what is that compulsion? Take the breath only and only from the nose, not from the mouth. Just like, kindly see the image. Breathe only and only from the nose, not from the mouth at all. That's it. And how it will be? You have acquired the energy, you are feeling the vibrations, and now you are running when breathing is only from the nose only. This means my node cells, my breathing circuit will be activated with the generated energy. That's why if that cells will be activated, that nose, throat and the lung cell will be activated, certainly it will be helpful for me to cure the corona. And why the mouth are not opening? Because we have the very limited energy. That's why I cannot waste my every drop of the energy in my other than my use. Limited energy, that's why concentrate on only the peculiar things related with the COVID-19 or the corona. It will be a type of the cleaning of the nose circuit and lungs with the pure energy, pure air and the pure oxygen. Hence the healing is possible. Nose breathing will ensure the concentration of the generalized energy, generated energy on the nose circuit only. The limited energy will not be wasted in the mouth etc. other parts. Energy is very precious. That's why we have to concentrate it only towards the problematic area only. Then only we will be harness the complete potential of it. Dear friends, kindly let's go together so that our planet can be worth living, our planet can be healthy. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his or her own life. If he or she gets benefited from it, then only kindly spread these experiment of the truth to all the humans so that a healthy human society can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel 0 to Infinity. Dear friends, kindly do the result checking only after doing the Satya ka prayog, doing the experiment of truth. No endless discussion without self-doing. If you haven't done it, if you haven't experienced it, kindly keep mum, kindly do not spread. If you have felt it, if you have felt the energy vibrations, if you are able to heal yourself from your own disease, then certainly it will be your own duty to serve the mankind, to spread it. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts to make the Eden Garden, to bring the Eden Garden on this earth, to make this earth a utopian one, to make this earth a worth living. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. Knowing is just like the sugar, but doing is just like the poison. It is very tough in doing. That's why I especially request, learn the concept, have faith on it, do the work on yourself. Certainly you will get benefited of it. Dear friends, the holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden of the people, by the people and for the people. Let's go together. Dear friends, this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. It will touch the land just like the Noah's Ark. I am very much confident, and this confidence I have to rise in you. Dear friends, the Armageddon is not in between the nations, not in between the religions at all. This is a satanic plan. so that every nation fight with each other, every religion fight with each other. But the true Armageddon will be there. It is just about to come. It is just about to occur. But that will be in between the positive and negative powers, black and white powers, good and bad persons. And that will be a true Armageddon for this era, for this mankind. Dear friends, this is a very individual choice whether you want to follow deity, positive, white or godly energy, or whether you are with demonic, negative, black or the satanic energy. Whether you are with the Lord Kalki of the Hinduism, Christ, Al-Mahdi, Messiah, or you are with Kali demon, Antichrist, satanic, Lucifer, or a false Messiah. This is a completely unique choice, completely individual choice. Even your family cannot decide it for you. Not your nation can decide it for you. You are the only persons, you are the only individual who will decide whether you are with the positive powers or whether you are with the negative powers. Consequences will be very much as per your own choice. You are with the black, you will be treated like that. You are with the white, you will be treated like that. Choice is of yours. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago. You may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be the every human. You may have the any questions under the blue sky. Dear friends, kindly feel free and contact me. I contact the channel Zero to Infinity. I will do my the best so that problems can be sorted out, and I will cover it individually as well as in my episodes. Thank you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you. I, Praful Dabi, bow to God hidden in you.